Hi guys, I'm Navy. Today I'm going to teach you guys a turning switch tilt. So it's just a variation of a normal switch tilt, but we're going to turn into it and roll at the end. So you're going to start facing this side. You're going to go into a coupe, and you're going to dégagé your right leg out to a 45, really focusing on it, and then you're going to focus on its height as it goes out to the side, pushing this one up, meeting, really getting enough air, and then you're going to tuck your left leg onto your left bum, roll, and stand up. This is what it'll look like. You guys got it. Try it at home.